We are here, we are here, we are here. One is an amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up the business. Hey guys, we are marking up YFI, USD, crypto. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market. The monthly time frame is very small. First thing we're going to head over to is price action, last active candle. If price action goes up, how far are we looking? We're looking towards market to break this area here. Go back to price action. Price action drops. We're looking for the market to come down to this area here. Last but not least, going to add a midpoint right in the middle. And what we're going to do today, let's change our pencil color to yellow. Nope, not that one. Change to red. So let's say if price goes above the highest high that we created near price, we're going to see that the price is going to go up to the next level here. Color the yellow. And if price goes down to the lowest low point, we look at the low price to go down to this yellow line near the doji. What we're going to do is let's read the market, see what's going on. So market came from a lowest low point. Was the doji, got engulfing patterns, market pushed up. So we got that one push up to the top, market came back down. Market pushed up twice to this area here, came back down, and it pushed up a third time. This is like a third or fourth. Let's play this for a full third time. The market came back down once and it retested on this line. So we got to figure out what's going on this line. So in this area of before price, we got three pushes to the top. Market pushed down into a consolidation area. So let's head down the time frame to see what we see. So we can see area consolidation near price. Head down to weekly. Now we can clearly see right near with price action at around this old area. We can see what's forming. We have a W forming, actually coming from a double top. It reached our highest outside of our highest high line, which is the yellow line we created. On the monthly time frame, we got a double top, retest, and we got market push down once, market push down twice. So that's a pattern inside a pattern. So within this area here, we have a double bottom. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once. It's actually pushed up twice in this area if you count the wicks. But we're going to do an overall first, second, third, fourth. Market pushed up fourth leg, came back to retest. Market pushed up once. Okay, so we don't know if it's going to come out that retest. It actually don't look like it is just yet. It has to break this wick here. We go back overall in that whole overall consolidation area. We do have that first leg, second leg, third leg. Could be coming for that fourth, maybe not. Doesn't look like it just yet. These are all dojis. It could do a few dojis on the way up, but right now we have to wait for the market to break a certain area. We have to look for market to break this area, this high here, and then we can clearly see it's at the low of that red line. So if we get that breakout, we're looking for a retest on the yellow line. Market could push up for that W. So we're looking for something like this: 2, 3, 4 retest. Market's going up. Okay, and if we don't see that, the market could drop this, do that. So that'll be an M pattern. So we'll be looking at first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double top. Okay, so we got to figure out what's going on in that area. Headed down to the daily time frame. We still got a W. We got a W in that market at that low. We can see that overall W we created early in the high time frame. Market pushed up, came back to retest, did another W. It looks like it's more in a decline motion right now. Areas still haven't broke these wicks right here. So we need price to break to see if it's going up. We can see that we do have that double top. It's actually at a midpoint or center. We have a double top, we have a double bottom. So overall, if we look at it, we have first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4. That's cap. You got one more chance to push, but it has to push and break out at least this wick area here. If it does that, that market work its way up. If that doesn't happen, that market coming back down. And what we see overall, we see that market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, coming back down to retest. So it could be a double top. So it's in the middle. So we gotta wait until see if it's gonna break this area here. We can clearly see if we read it from price on this daily time frame, we can see markets working its way up for that incline. We gotta figure out what's going on. So you can just say, let's say we see the incline. We do see the incline here. Oh wow, I didn't even see that. So it's actually inside a wedge pattern. So, like I said, it's in that middle center. So think about market being in that wedge I just created by mistake, and it still has to finally break out to the upside, break down to the downside. So you guys will see the trade. You'll probably get a big engulfing pattern. Right now we see a whole bunch of W's. Like I said, I feel like we're gonna get one more push to the top. If it doesn't break, the market's coming back down. Headed down to the 4. Huge W sitting right in front of us. Even near price, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes to the top, and it has one more chance to do a fifth push, so it could come down for some momentum and still try to break out that wedge. We can see how clean it is inside that wedge. We have to wait for that breakout. So that's the pattern basically. I mean, we can walk down the time frame and do what we do, but we can see that market has to break this to go up higher. If it don't, it's coming back down to this low. So it's still going to be in that range where we can keep on bouncing up and down if we get that breakout. Headed down to the 3. Now you can see markets at still working his way up. Headed down to the 2. So we have a decline W, retest, 1, 2. Still could push up another, first, second, third, fourth, retest, 1, 2, 3. It could push up another 2 more times, at least 2 more dojis within this area here. If that happens, then it could have a chance to still break out. It could still push out of incline motion right now. But the overall market has to break that yellow line to see that it's going to be working its way up. Put it down to the 1. First, second, third, fourth, retest, 1, retest, 2, retest. Still got that same about 2 pushes. Oh wait. First, second, third, fourth, retest, 1, retest, 2, retest. Still got about another retest to go. Still has to retest this, and then it has one more chance to push up. So market is still looking like it's working its way up. Head down to the 45. There'll be a slight retest. We can still see that incline motion is inclined, so we can see that market is looking to do that breakout, that wedge pattern, very easy. Okay, you see that wedge pattern. I mean, it's just gonna keep on bouncing up and down. You guys can just trade it like that, buy, sell, at the high until you finally get that big, huge engulfing pattern on definitely one of these higher time frames like the 4 to 3 to 2 to 1. And once you see that the market's coming in that direction, you got a price action. Market's coming from a 1, 2, maybe like I said, triple top or maybe a quadruple top, 4 pushes to the top, retest. Market look like it's working its way down a little bit, but we see this wick right here create that momentum, still push up. Okay, so the lowest it can go is here. If it breaks this, we know the market's coming back down to our wedge. If not, it can create that momentum and work back up to that W. That's what's kind of forming there. Headed down to the 3. We can see that triple bottom look like it's forming 1, 2, 3 pushes to the bottom. Overall, 4 pushes to the top, 3 pushes to the top, 1, 2, 3. Retest, market push down once, twice. It still can consolidate a little more. But if it breaks this low here in this area, probably gonna head down to the next level. So depends on what time frame you guys traded on. You know what I'm saying? So we're seeing W's and M's, so it's like that W now. So overall, once you see the pattern on these higher time frames, that'll be the trade. We gotta wait for it to break out. So you guys trading higher time frames, wait for the breakout. Trade on these lows, just find a pattern in there, double bottom it's coming from. So you already know what's happening at the triple bottom. Markets were trying to work its way back up. If it breaks, that means that they did it actually just to the M and retest and drop down. So let's see if we can find that wedge pattern in the chart. So very important information, guys. Breaking Forex pattern cheat sheet. Try to see if I can find that wedge pattern in the market that showing that the market. Okay, I go to wedge pattern. So we have a ascending triangle. So this is what we've seen in the market. Oh, that's not it. Well, this is it right here. This look more like it's more of an incline. So you can see that incline W that the market's showing that came down from somewhere, push. On the screen here, it's showing that the market's going to break down. That don't always happen. The market still have options to still consolidate as tight as it can or still break out. Okay, I've seen the market, duties ascending and still break out to the top side. Majority of the times, it can just push down to the bottom. Very important information, guys. Please understand a breakout and retest in the market is breaking out the areas of higher highs and lower lows of these resistance and support resistance lines. What is it going to do after? You have to understand that. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. YFI, USD, crypto.